Hey guys, welcome back to T5R Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. You guys saw that title and thumbnail. It is true. We're rebuilding one of the rarest Volvos of all time. Before we actually get into the nitty-gritty business and showing you guys this absolute beauty, we gotta go back a couple of months at the beginning of the summer where I got an idea that would absolutely change the course of the channel's history.
Many legends like Matt Armstrong, DDE, and Stradman have forged YouTube in the way that it is today. I wanted to make my own piece of history by looking over all of those best things that they've done, rebuilding cars, and especially Matt, taking salvaged vehicles and giving them a new life. I had a wild idea 3 months ago to start bidding on a 2004 flash green Atacama S60R. I made a post about it that got over 100,000 views and unfortunately made the bids go way higher than what I was intended to buy. Since I already had an S60R on the channel, I started questioning myself in what to do next. Put the idea on the side burners, and 3 weeks ago, found quite possibly the craziest rebuild we could ever do on the channel. A 1995 850 T5R in cream yellow. The dream project. Finally, I was able to bid on it, and I'll let you guys with this short video of my reaction once I did win it.
Holy shit, guys! Oh my god! I'm not sure. This is not sure yet, but oh my god, I think I just won a 1995 Volvo 850 T5R at auction. Oh my god, my heart is racing right now. I wasn't recording because it went by so fast. I was expecting it to take more time. I'm gonna have to wait at the end of the auction to see. Bid status. My bids. Is it? I mean, I put my bid up to 3,500 bucks. And the final bid closed in at 3,150. So theoretically, I'm the highest bidder because it would have kept bidding until it reached my maximum. Oh my god, guys. I own a Volvo 850 T5R. Holy shit. There's no way. I am shaking right now. I am shaking. Oh my god, I won it. I just got the email. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. 2026 is gonna be the most insane year. We are rebuilding a salvaged Volvo 850 T5R.
The idea was crazy and it was not something that you would see very commonly on social media. It was taking a current trend of rebuilding salvage cars and bringing it to the Volvo world, but choosing one of the rarest Volvos of all time. Today, I'm proud to announce that I am the new owner of a salvaged, we will be fixing it together, 1995 Volvo 850 T5R.